We're going to create a circular progress view, a view you can use throughout your entire application. It's simple, it's straightforward, and it's beautiful. Here we have a brand new SwiftUI project. We're going to create a SwiftUI file called circular progress view. This is going to be our reusable component. The way we're going to create this is by creating two circles on top of each other. We're going to create one circle that's going to be the background track. It's going to be gray. And then we're going to create a circle on top of that one that's going to show the actual progress. That's going to be blue. Let's begin by creating the progress value. It's going to be a double and it's going to range from 0 to 1, where 0 is empty and 1 is 100%. Now, it's time to create a set stack. And inside this set stack, we're going to create the first circle. The first circle is going to have a stroke and it's going to have the color gray. This is a nice background color to use. It's going to have a line width of 20, so we have a nice thick line and a nice thick background. Great. It's a bit too large as you can see, so we're going to create a frame on our set stack. It's going to be 200 by 200, which makes it the perfect size for us. Now it's perfectly centered. Now let's create circle number 2. This is where we're going to create the circle that actually shows how long the progress is. It's going to range from 0 to how long the progress is now. It's going to have a stroke, and as I mentioned earlier, the color is going to be blue. You can of course choose whatever color you want. In this case it's blue, it's nice and it's easy to see what's happening. And now we are going to add some style to the circle. We're going to add a line width and we're going to use 20 as well. And then we're going to create a line cap that's going to be rounded, and that's the edges as you can see. That's all nice. Now it's time to us to actually make it start from the beginning. We'll do that by adding a rotation effect with a minus 90 degrees. As you can see now it starts at the top and goes down 50% halfway. Then we're going to create an animation so it's building up the progress as you go. So when you use it, it's going to show it nicely. And of course, we need some kind of text showing how long we actually progressed. So we're going to create a text inside of the circles. We're going to calculate the percentage by simply taking the double and multiplying by 100, adding a percentage sign afterwards. It's a bit small, so let's create a bit larger font of, let's say, 48. And of course make it bold. Great. This looks good for now. Now it's time for us to show how it's going to be used. So head over to our content view. We'll begin with creating a progress state value over in our content view. This is going to show how long the progress of the circle is. Now we're going to use our circular progress view. Pass in the progress state we just created. And create a button. Inside the button is going to be fairly simple. It's simply going to create some kind of progress on the line so you can see what's happening. You can set whatever value you want. We are going to simulate 95%. So we're going to set the progress to 0.95. Of course, in a real app, you want to track something, either you're downloading a file, progress in a form or something like that. And when we press the button now, we're going to show a nice animation that goes from 0 to 95%. Instead of a solid color, you can of course choose a gradient style. We're going to keep the style as is. We're only going to change the color. We're going to use an angular gradient color, and we're going to pass in the colors we're going to use. You can of course choose whatever you want. I encourage you to play around with it to find what colors match your project the best. In this case, we're going to use purple, pink, orange, purple again. I think this makes a great glare for our project. And of course, we're going to center the color. And that is it. We have now created a beautiful circular usable component you can use throughout the entire application. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment and like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for your time.